Hello, viewers. Today we are talking about how to save money on electric charging on your car. The APL have a great option if you are looking for charging your car in home, and the great feature you can have from them is that they have a fixed price that include everything, and you will own the charger. Let's dive in the details. The bill, I'll show you how much I'm saving in my electricity bill. As you see, there is a fixed rate for the EV charging and it's unlimited. Like your cell phone, the EV charging also unlimited. So the way the program works is there is a fixed fee for $9.55. That's the base charge, which usually you pay also for your electricity bill if you are a APL customer. And on top of that, they will charge a $12.81 every month for the unlimited charging, the off peak actually. So if you charge off peak, uh, then it will be unlimited during that time. And if you charge on peak, there is a charge, as you see, is 23 cents during their on peak hour time. So from my uses, I see I'm saving a lot because I'm driving a lot with my Tesla Model Y. And as you see, my bill is $115, including everything, my car charger and my electricity bill. So another trick I will show you guys, if you have a Tesla charger, you need an adapter to charge your Tesla. So if you plug in there, it's not, if you hold your charger over there, it's not gonna stay there, it's gonna fall. So that's how you're gonna put it there sidewise, so it's gonna hold it there. And that's the box I received from APL when they install it. So it's a little bit long process. You have to sign up for the program first. I will mention those details later in the video. So that's how the box look like. And the technician will bring the box. And this is also like a Tesla charger. As you see, I have to take off my Tesla charger since I'm now using the APL one, but they are the same power range, like 48 amp. So there you are not losing anything from like your old Tesla charger. And this is their app, APL Evolution app, that you need also to monitor your charging history. And there is certain process you need to follow when you install the charger. So the app is gonna show you also if you charge at like any local places, it will show that on the map. And the good thing is the level 2 charger charging is completely free. So it will be a lower speed, but it will be free. So if you see any PL charging that's level 2, it shouldn't cost you any money. And as you see, it's connected through a Wi-Fi, and it can power up to 48 amp. And you have to make sure you select off peak only. So this way you are not going to get charged for the on peak charges, and you will receive off peak charges. And off peak charges only for Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday, there is no off-peak or on-peak. You can charge anytime on Saturday, Sunday. And if you click on the home charger, it will give you those details like, the box ID and the hardware firmware versions. Um, also, if you have any issue, you can click on get support. It will give you options to fix the issue. And if you click on history, it will show you how often you charge and the total amount of electricity each time it consume. Um, Even though the hour showing 14 hour 44 minutes, the first one, it didn't took that long actually. It took the exact time like your regular Tesla charger took. So you need to stop the charging manually from the app if you are worried about those charging time showing up on the history. But rather than that, it will charge as a normal like your regular Tesla charger. And as you see, like the level 2 chargers, it will show on the map. If it's nearby, you can get the free charging on the road. And that's how my setup looks like. On the middle, my net meter, since I also have Tesla Solar. And there's their home charger, and there's the hook there. And another trick, since I have the adapter from Tesla to plug in on my charger, when you unplug it, the light will turn white as usual, but then you have to push it down again. So the adapter gonna lock it with the charger. This way you're not losing the adapter. And then as you see, I'm trying to put it there. And since I have the adapter installed on it, the Tesla adapter, it's not gonna hold there. Like whenever it's moving, it's gonna fall down. So I will show you guys a trick. This way you can still use that holder and you can keep your Tesla adapter with the charger. So the trick is you need to shorten the length of the charger hanging on there, and then you try to slide it in sideways. So this way it gonna stick there. It's not secure that much, but it's still it's gonna work. And that's how you see is still in the place. I try to move it, but it's not falling down. Now that's the website where you can go and get the detailed information for the program. Uh, it will take a little bit time to test it out, the Wi-Fi signal, and then send it to them, because they need to make sure that you have a good signal from the charger to your home Wi-Fi, and they bill you by that, because every time you charge your car, the app will monitor it and it will record how much electricity you consume during that time period. So there's more details on their website. You can go through all of these and have a better idea what are the benefits. Overall, it's really a lifesaver for me. It reduced my bill a lot. Usually I had to pay like almost $70 or something, 75 on my car charges every month. But right now I'm paying only $12, and that's covered the unlimited charging. Since the $9 I have is the common charges, so that's their charging fee here. If you have a Tesla charger installed earlier, or you have a point for 48 amp, you can. I prefer to choose the $31 program, since you don't need to go through all those hassle and inspections. But if you don't have that setup in your home, you can go to the $38 a month for the full installation, where APL will work with the county to get those installation done and inspection done. So overall, it's a great program, and also at the end of the program, you can keep the charger. So that's how, like, you have something once the program is done. But you can continue with that program. It's just a price point, a plan. They just showed there the full installation and the equipment only installation. So if you have any questions, you can mention in the comment section. I will try my best to reply them as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel so I can provide more future videos regarding charger and a smart product. And that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Have a good day. Bye.